Hello everyone, I'm here today to show you how Feedly works. So Feedly is basically a website where you can look for any type of blogs for any type of thing you're looking for. So for like tech, design, marketing, business, cybersecurity, politics, science, comics, and there's more blogs you look at right if you scroll down here. And I'm going to click on 5 tabs I found under fun that I like to add to my personal feed. So for my first one, I'm going to click on is food. And the blog I thought was interesting was 101 Cookbooks. So I'm going to hit follow and I hit new feed and make it personal interest feed. And I'm going to do the same thing when it comes to fashion, travel, and music. Follow Rolling Stones. And following the blogs I researched before, thought they're really interesting when it comes to blog with articles that came out, like so for like how Fashionista, it has a lot of things with New York Fashion Week and everything that happened, and the runway models that were shown, and different styles. And my last one be music. Music. To travel. And I usually like to follow New York Times because they're really accurate and people who are like went through all this. Follow. And my last one will be is dating. So I like to see, and we'll do Psychology Today. So we learn like how it can be with so you see articles here says how to stay happy around negative people. So do ditch your smartphones, kid have favorite child. And we're going to click on, which is my sort of favorite blog, was 101 Cookbooks, because I can like look at here and see different recipes that I want to pursue. So say if I want to do a quick blister cherry tomato smoothie, I can see the picture here, see how it looks, and looks to see like what it's all about and how it would be. And here are the ingredients. So say if I hit continue reading, I can click on that and it will pop up to, so right here it says ingredients. So let's hear all the ingredients that I would need to make the spaghetti. And I'm going to go back and see this for later. Thank you.